Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So today our topic is C letter words. So kids, let us start our class. So learn with me. C for car, car, cap, cap, candle, candle, camel, camel, camera, camera, coconut, coconut, cake, cake, cup, cup, cat, cat, caterpillar, caterpillar, cow, cow, carrot, carrot, crab, crab, crown, crown, clouds, clouds. So kids, if you like this video, please like and subscribe.